There is a refreshing button or refresh button in a computer, in a mobile set, or there is a restart button in a mobile set or a computer or a laptop. But in our life has no refreshing button or restart button or reset button. On the other hand, we have. We can start our life at any moment, at the any situation, at the any age. We just restart our life. You just throw your all previous life and start anew. The owner of KFC has started his career life at the age of 64. Before the 64, he was the poorest of the world, and after the 64 or at the age of 64, he is the richest man or wealthy man of the world. So he had restarted his life at the age of 64, and the whole world around him was happy to keep up with him. Before his success, everyone used to give him the nudge to go away. So let us think about our life. What is the wrong and what is the right? Is there any wrong? Redesign it. There is no hesitation to restart your everything. It is reality. But in some cases, we really change whole through our body. There is no other way but to move forward or speak a little sound. But we can do at our best to change our all of life, to press the restart button.